Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to spend a couple moments just to kind of go over a couple things with you. As you know, this week you have just one thing to work on, and that's your major project, the vaccination report. And what you're going to do is, of course, you know, vaccinations are required in all states, and when you start researching, you'll find that there are parents and professionals that are for it and against it. And so what you're going to do is you're going to select two articles that you find, one in support and one that opposes it. And you'll summarize, you know, what these reports say, and then also what we want you to do is take a stand on what you feel about vaccinations. You know, why do you think they're required or not? Also, you know, make sure, you know, your paper is at least 2 pages, double spaced, and make sure that you have a reference page at the end. You want to make sure you list those articles. So that's vaccination report. Another thing that I want to show you, give me a second, let me pull, your next assignments are due on the 29th, and this covers communicable diseases or illnesses, and this is focused in chapter 5 and chapter 6. Now, of course, you know, this textbook was published before COVID, so you know, as you're doing research for your assignments, you might find some things about COVID that aren't mentioned in the book, and of course you can, you know, you can focus on COVID. But I wanted to clarify that. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I appreciate all of your hard work in this class. Have a great day. Thanks.